Programming your room thermostat in 5.2 operation mode. Firstly, illuminate the screen by pressing the Home button. Lift open the front cover. Move the slider to the program position. Use the plus and minus button to select 5.2. Press the next button and you will see P1. This is the first program of the weekdays. The flashing time is the first timed event. Use the plus and minus button to set the first time. We will set ours at 6 AM. When you have set your first time, press the next button to move on to the temperature for P1. Use the plus and minus button to set the temperature for your first timed event. We have set ours at 24 degrees. When you have set your time and temperature for P1, press the next button to advance to P2. Use the plus and minus button to set the time for P2. Ours is set at 9 AM. When you have set the time for P2, press the next button and use the plus or minus button to set the temperature for P2. We have set ours at 16 degrees. The heating will now not come on unless the temperature drops below that level. Continue using the next button to advance between times and temperatures and the plus and minus buttons to set the times and temperatures until all of your timed events have been set for Monday to Friday. When you have completed the weekday settings, press the next button to return to P1. Press the A button and you will see Saturday and Sunday have been selected at the top of the display. Use the plus and minus button to set the first program time for the weekend. When you have set the time, press the next button to select the temperature for the first program. Use the plus and minus button to set the temperature. Press the next button to advance to P2 and use the plus and minus button to set the desired time. Press the next button to move to the temperature for P2 and use the plus and minus button to set the temperature. Continue using the next button to advance between times and temperatures and the plus and minus buttons to set times and temperatures until all of your timed events have been set for the weekend. Remember that your final timed event will be an overnight program. It is also worth remembering that your timed events must not overlap. When all of your programs have been set, press the Home button and move the slider to the Auto position.